I might have to grab these, man. So it's like $42, I think. See, this is my size. I don't. Which means these are 50% off. So damn. I don't want these, but I do want them. How is this still here? Especially for 75% off. That's just crazy. We're back at the Foot Locker outlet, but we gotta stop by Nike Community Store East LA first. What? Chick basketball player and a chick football player saying what's up? I don't know. I'm confused. They still do have the Kobe's up front, the girl dads. They had them last time I was here last week. Still got them. Got 30% off the back wall. Seem to have more refurbs today than last week. And I might have to grab these for my kid. Look at this. Look at this. Jordan 1 low Craft SEs right here. Pretty clean, dude. Pretty freaking clean. What is it? What is it? Is it gently worn right here? And look at this. $60. $60. I might have to grab these, man. So this is like $42, I think. Yeah, I think my kid will like these. Jordan 1 Crafts right here. Go for $75. For size 9.5. Size 10 Air Max 90, 65. These are gently worn. Jordan MVP, size 10, $83 gently worn. Pegasus 40s right here. I think that's the Liverpool, or who's that? Liverpool, right? Liverpool FC. I don't know, but yeah, $70. I might be wrong with that team. LeBron 21s going for 100. These are gently worn. Trainer 3s going for 63. Gently worn, size 11. Nike Dunks by you. These are nice. These are size 8, so can't really do much with them. $78. They do say slightly imperfect. Air Max 97, slightly imperfect, going for 93. Witness 7s going for 55. Air Max 90s, these are size 7. The double units going for 75. Zoom Victories 9.5. Yo, Alpha Flight Next Percent 2s 143. This is my size. I don't really run like that though. I don't really run like that, and oh my goodness, 143. So these are about $100. About $100. It does say gently worn. It doesn't seem like someone's tried them on at least. But damn, $100 for these, really? $100 on these. I think I would go down at least half a size. These are size 10.5. I think you can go down half a size on these. Oh my god, these are so squishy. Oh my goodness, but I don't really need them. I don't need them. I'm gonna stop buying shoes that I don't need. But man, dude, do I need them? I'm trying to start running, but I'm not racing or nothing though. Damn, $100, dog. Really? Yeah, I need more discipline. I'm gonna put them back. Damn, those are dope, dude. Those are dope. Someone put this in the women's section. Look at this. Tatum's for 60, so it's at 42 for those. Cortez going for 65 right here in the women's. These are down to 110, but only smaller sizes. All right, I don't see much else, and one of the workers always tells me I can't take video. Already saw me, so all right, we're gonna wrap it up, dude. Let's go to the Foot Locker, dude. Hey, look at that. That's pretty cheap. Holy crap. The Rui Hachimura ones. Okay. Paid $45 after tax. It was like 42 plus tax. Not bad. Some of y'all think Bossco and I are being paranoid when we go in there. That same worker towards the end came up to me and said, "Hey, were you filming?" And I was like, "Nah, man, I wasn't filming, man. Get the hell out of here." And he's like, "Oh, I told you can't film last time." Like, I'm telling you, the total douchebags here. And I don't know if it's just one or two. I don't know if it's all. I don't know. And now we're at the Foot Locker outlet where you get 50% off everything except Jordan Retros and Dunks. Those are the only things. All right, I did talk to one of the workers. Apparently some Dunks go through, some Jordan Retros go through. The 11s aren't going through, those Dunks aren't. So you kind of have to ask. But there really aren't any blanket exceptions anymore, which means these are 50% off. So these are going for $100. That's what's up. And if you see any Jordan Retros, you know, ask them to check it out, dude. That means Jaw ones are $50 freaking here. That is pretty crazy. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen those. Jordan 37 lows. That means they're going for $60. They did say for whatever reason this one is not going through on sale. They did say for whatever reason this one's not going through on sale. but the answer's right below that. $65. 60 for the Omnis right here. 60 for Ultra Boost, really good price. 55 for the Currys. That's the cheapest we've ever seen. Curry 11s right here. Pretty dope colorway too. Another Ultra Boost right there. The two responsibility. I was gonna say respectability. Responsibility is going for $60. Really? Damn. I don't want these, but I do want them. Like I don't want. My bad. I don't want to spend $60, but I want these, and they're only $60. Holy cow. Holy cow. These are the responsibility Jordan 2s. I'm thinking about it. $60. If these two come up to $60, that's such a good freaking deal. Holy cow. Only 9.5s left. God dang it. That's some BS. Yeah, they fit, but they're super tight and my toes are curled up like crazy. So I guess they don't fit, that is, right? Damn, that makes me sad. I could have even done a 10, but 9.5, that's all they got. They did say these dunks are not ringing up at 50% off, but it looks like all these signature shoes are. You got LeBrons right here for 100. I think these are what, 140, so $70 for the Zion 3s right here. And they got multiple colorways. This looks like it's glow in the dark. I don't know if it is, but then got the TikTok colorway right here as well. Got a couple of Tatums right here, 50 off. Luka 2s. We've seen Luka 3s yet? Have they come out yet? I know they've been talking about them. I've been hearing release news. I still do got a couple of 2s right there. The workers did say that the black Air Forces and white Air Forces for sure are not 50% off. But these are $100 for these, so $50 each. One of the better colorways of the Team 1s right here, the Jordan Jumpman Team 1s. $50 for these. Freaking dope. You need sneakers for hoops, $35 or $40. $40 for Cosmic Unity 3s. Got the Itchies right here, down to $40. The Answers. Got Zoom Freak 5s down to $40. Also got the Dolce & Gabbana colorway, I believe, of the Gill Zeros right here, going for $40. More colorways of the Zoom Freaks as well as the Gill Zeros right here, both going for $40. Comforts, multiple comforts, $40. I know some of you guys have been talking about these. They don't really get cheaper than that, even at the outlets, man. More Lukas. 312s right here. Cheapest 312s you'll see. Moving over to the women's section, seeing if there's anything crazy over here. Jordan 1 High OGs, $60. $65 for the 2s, $50 for the mids. And then it seems like some of the dunks are going through for $50 off and some aren't. Just don't count it with the dunks. Don't count on it for sure. But yeah, these are nice, dude. Got some suede on it. $115 for these. But the retros, a majority of them are going through for $50 off, but not 100% of them. $60 for NMDs in the women's. Yeah, so $30. That they don't get cheaper than that. Like, that's full length boots for $30. As long as you're okay with that hella bright Grinch green. And then these are pretty much free, dude. Converse, $15. And then $20 for these. Women's suedes going for $25 a piece. Air Max 1s going for $50 each. Air Max 90s going for the same. Cumulus 25 going for $50. Superstars, these are platform Superstars. But yeah, $70, so what, $35 for those? This is the wall where you get 50% off. And then 50 on top of that, so 75% off this section right here. They got Pro Standard Lakers pants right here. Black on top, and then got Lakers right there. And yeah, these are going for $110. So $110 and $50. So what's that, 50 or $22.50? No, $27.50, I think. $27.50. And then got Warriors right here as well. Golden State Warriors. Let's see what's up with the sizes. I see medium, I see large, the XL. So they got sizes. I see medium, XL, and the Golden State Warriors as well. Got the King stuff right here. Still got, oh, these are all mediums, or are they all smalls? Double XL for the Sharks one right here, 110, the same price, so like $27.50. Still got the Compton Nike shirts right here, flight t-shirt. The regular price don't even matter because when you take 75% off, it's all cheap. But yes, only smalls for the flight hoodies right here. This is a craft, so I was like, does that match? Does that match? Not really, not really. Tons of Nike t-shirts. They're $40. That brings them down to 10 bucks. They still got the jerseys for 50% off. Do got PG jersey. They still got the Luka. This is a small. One of the workers told me they're going for 30 bucks. So yeah, so this is 75% off as well. All the Morant jerseys, 70 off. And then the Luka one right here. They have one Luka, a small Luka jersey right there. And they got a PG. How is this still here? Especially for 75% off. That's just crazy. Back in the men's section where we're seeing a ton of Converse. These are some faux leather ones. $20 for those. Chucks really don't get any cheaper than that. These are far from Chucks, going for 20. Got some All-Stars right here. Chuck All-Stars go for 20 as well. This one has to do with tennis. Club C's go for 20. Street Fighter Workout Plus right here. Street Fighter branding go for 20 bucks. Classic leathers go for $15. $20 for those. Got these go for 20 right here. These are weird because they're like feels like a towel and it has a bunch of foam on it. But yeah, I got Romas right here. Got some Tony Romas go for 25. More Chucks for 20. All-Stars right here. The red ones are 20 and these are what? These are what? $20 as well. They got black ones down here for 20 bucks. All black. Oh, that's clean. That's clean. Forums down to $25. You won't see it cheaper anywhere else. I feel like most of the stuff you're just not gonna see it cheaper anywhere else. Got top 10s if that's your thing right here for 25. Classic leathers go for $25. Aroma suedes for 20 bucks. These suedes ain't bad for $20, dude. They had $40 signs last time at least. And I doubt prices are going up. Dude got these right here, 50 bucks. So 25 for those. Romas right here. More Romas go for 25. Superstars go for $30 and got multiple colorways. Samoa down to 30. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen those. Shaq Victories down to $30. Holy cow. Trey Young 3s. Trey Young 2s. Immortalities. All going for $30. And I said these were 20 before. Yeah, see? Yeah, these were 20. They have my kid size, maybe. They have a 10.5, they have my size, but they don't have my kid size. See if I missed anything on these tables. Because most of the stuff on these tables, they are on the wall. So you get to see what sizes they have right here and stuff. Got blazers right here, $35. 35 bucks. I think I paid retail for one of these for the ex's nephew a while back, damn it. I did check to see if they had a size 9 for one of my boys. He wears a size 10, but Chucks, he wears a size 9 because these fit hella small or hella big, hella small, hella big. So he has to go full size down. All right, let's see if I see anything else here on these tables. I don't think there's anything that I missed. Maybe these Chuck 70s right here. I'm 99% sure these are Chuck 70s. Yeah, it says Converse 70 on the bottom right there. Chuck Taylor 70. And yeah, these are, what's the price on these? Yeah, these are $25 for these. But we have some major changes here. This is freaking dope. Man, definitely worth a stop. And they even have hats, 50% off everything. So, well, pretty much everything. $37 for those. That's what, under 20 bucks? You know, I'm too lazy with math and I'm just like, whatever. But dude got these are down to $10. All the $5 hats are gone. Because they had some for like $5 last week, if I remember. But yeah, they just have these $10 ones here. Got Clippers hats. They got Golden State Warriors snapbacks. Also San Diego Padres, Athletics. Got Dodgers, Giants, Angels, and more Dodger stuff right there. On these last ones right here, these are actual Fitted hats, wow. Wow. So 42 down to 21. Oh, all of these are fitted hats, wow. All fitted hats right there, all 50% off. Oh wait, they got a Yankees fitted right here. Got a few different sizes, or a couple different sizes. They got Crocs right here. This has been my go-to spot for Crocs. 35, so it's $17.50 for these. These are down to 20 because they're normally 40. These silver ones right here down to 15. The platform ones, these are down to 20. And then Hoka's down here for 25. We got the Levi's one right here. Only one size left though. It is a size 5 men's. Back in the men's, I think I skipped these. Got the 4Ds right here. So $75 for 4Ds. And even regular Chucks. You rarely ever see regular Chucks on sale. We've been seeing it more and more lately, but yeah, these are $60. So what, they go down to 30 bucks. And then just suedes like this. This is just hella clean to be able to get them for 35 instead of 70. That's what's up. Got the skate highs as well. Classic leathers. These are nylon versions right here. Just to be able to get all these for 50% off, kind of crazy. And then Mellows, they're cheaper than Ross, yo. What the hell? They're playing some Mace. This song hit so hard, dude. I used to love this song. That song's still dope, actually, still dope. But yeah, definitely worth stopping by. They got all kinds of stuff on sale. Man, did I not notice they have some grade school stuff right here? That includes Trae Young 3s right here, going for 25. 20 for the RSX. Ja ones right here, going for 35. Chucks right here, going for 50% off retail. And this one right here, the white rarely ever goes on sale. That's crazy. Because they just never go on sale. Not the classic white one. Favorite things, of course, the Jordan retros. Damn, if they had my size, of course I would have grabbed those. And 75% off a Luka jersey, crazy PG jersey right here as well. The PG is only an XL, and then the Morant jerseys, freaking insane. And Morant's, they got plenty of sizes. And then the Pro Standard merch right here, man, just crazy spot. Definitely gotta stop by. Back at what? Tuna slides pretty much free, $23. So 35 after the savings. We got them here. These are 11.5. The homie Josh did pick up one of these for me when it was 40% off. Look at this, dude. And then I just saw these on Instagram. Someone posted that they just got these first in flight. When did these come out? When the hell did these come out?